Hey guys, how are you? It's your girl again, Miss Elizabeth. I'm back with another video. Kindly consider subscribing, like, share my content. To my returning subscribers, thank you. Thank you so much. And today, guys, we are going to make this burger, breaded chicken burger. It's a very simple way. So today I'll be using oil. I'll be deep frying my burgers. There are so many ways of cooking burger. Ni wewe tu ndo utachagua gani. So me, I'm going to deep fry them. Yeah. So I'm just going to dip them because our oil imekuwa moto. So I'll deep fry them and at least leave them there for 5 minutes. Okay, 2 minutes na geuza side. 2 minutes na geuza side. Yeah, yani kidogo tu ikuwe tu brown, kidogo ive. Itakuwa poa hivyo.
Say what you wanna say to me now.
So guys, hizi burgers zetu 3 ndo zimeiva. Ndakuwa napika tu 6. So nimeweka zingine 3 kwa sababu zingetosha zote 6. So nimemaliza kupika za kwanza. Let's wait hizo zingine pia ziive. Yeah, as you can see ni brown vipoa. Tutakuwa tunaziweka kwa hizi big buns. So after 10 minutes hivi zimeiva. So I'll be putting them in these buns and sitakuwa naeka vitu mingi venye kawaida mtu huweka kwa burger because these burgers I'm specifically making them for the kids. So hawataki kuweka hizo complications mingi but for you can if you want. Yeah, unaweza weka salad, mayonnaise, so many things that unaweza weka. But for me, nitakuwa naeka hivi because ni ya kids. Yeah, and I'll wrap them. Yeah, so let's wait and let me make all of this. Then I'll show you the final. So I'm done wrapping them. Nimeziweka kwa dish. Ndio pia zisipoe, unaona. Yeah, and I'll be serving them with all of this. Juice, hizi flavors zote. Yeah. Kids do like this so much. Tomato ketchup. Yeah, salad dressing. They love like this. Yani watoto wanapenda ikiwa hivi. So, this marks the end of my video. Ni short. See you on the next one. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share.